Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back. Here we are. This is the last week 4, I guess, or the third layout of the Mini Kit Monday. We are using the cuts from Janet at RTS. That she told us how to cut our paper, and so I was going to tell you what I did. As you can tell, that brown wood grain with I don't know what you call that design on the back is my background. I'm using this stripe, which is my paper number 2, which is a 7 by 12. I have paper number 3, which is a 6 by 6. And then I'm using paper number 1, which is the floral, and it is a 1.5 by 12. Here I am just rummaging through all of the die cuts. I absolutely love the floral. I love, love, love that. And I'm going to use that deer head again, the antlers. I just love those guys this year. I never really did like them before, but for some reason, I am loving them. I've always been the type of person that I don't usually jump on the bandwagon when something new comes out. Yeah, I have to think about it. Yeah, that's the typical me. And then I'm like, okay, now I like it. And even though it may be, old news, but anyway, that is that's the way that I am. Now, the paper that I am putting, or the cardstock that I'm putting my photo on, is from the 6 by 6. It is that dark brown. So I have to go ahead and glue everything down. And everything coordinates so well together. This kit was beautiful, I have to say. And I apologize for that round circle light. That is my new camera. Yeah, I'll try not to do that again. Live and learn. And also, this is, once again, I'm making this during, when I did that cyber crop, and I'm talking and carrying on. Yeah, but this one came together so much faster than the last one that took me over an hour. I like that. You are my home. So the photo is of my daughter. We were together for a week. I know I've told the story that she had stuff in my garage, and I rented a car, and we took all of her stuff up to Michigan, and she flew down to Texas and drove with me as we took all her stuff back. We did not take one selfie together. We didn't take one photo together at all until I was in the car ready to go to the airport to leave, and she comes running out. We didn't even take a selfie. So that's what we did. This is our selfie. Now you saw that I have the little floral there. Yeah, it had too much white around the outside. It's okay. I am going to just trim it away. And look at that beautiful gold scallop washi. That is the end of that. In fact, look, more washi. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe how much washi I'm using on this page. There is a lot. Yeah, there's even more to come. Because look, here's the orange. I kind of tuck it up a little bit under the stripe. And here's the green plaid. Yep, this one really turned out really nice. So I used all 4 washies. Kind of proud of myself there. Okay, so let's get everything together. There's a mason jar and a little mug, but you can't really tell. I really want it for the color, not for the element of it being a mug or a mason jar. I just wanted some color. And put my flowers up there. Got to add some foam tape behind the flowers. They need a little something. I like to have dimension on my pages, as I've mentioned before. Looking to see if there's any chipboard that I want. Yep, there it is. There's the lights. That's the only chipboard that I'm using. And I didn't put wet glue behind it. Oh no, I got to go back and do that because I know that's going to fall off. So here are my stickers. I don't think I'm using any stickers on this page. Yeah, in fact, I guess I like die cuts better than stickers. And then this beautiful wood grain alpha, the chipboard alpha. Got to put the year. It's going to say September 19. Those are some beautiful letters. I love wood grain. Love, love, love it. I try to clean up as I go. Yeah. As you can tell how clean it is over there on the left-hand side of my layout. Yeah. I do put one of those wooden buttons between the word September and the You Are My Home, but I do not like foam on it. It makes it too two-dimensional. There is a point where there is too much dimension, in my opinion. I'm using the art glitter glue to glue my alpha down. This is fairly new glue to me. I think it will be just fine. And then we've got to use some more foam tape for these flowers. Yeah, I did tuck some more foam tape underneath it. I didn't put enough, obviously. I have to rummage through. What am I looking for? I think I'm probably looking for some sequins because that's usually the last thing I put on. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, I'm going to finish my title. These are beautiful little stickers. They're black. I'm going to put going home because I am on my way home. I've never done that before where I had to rent a car, drop it in one location, and then I picked up another car and then I flew home. It was unique. Now my lighting changed because I realized because I was in that cyber crop that one of the lights was shining right into my my computer where I was doing the cyber crop. And so I was trying to be courteous, but it really made the rest of this kind of dark and a little lopsided. So, yep, I'm using my Distress Collage Medium by Tim Holtz to put my sequins down. There's going to be still shots at the end. I'm going to put links to the other ladies' pages below. And also the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group, as well as Janet's channel. Thanks, Janet, for helping us out this month. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.